Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Mazda CX-30 Sport Lux. This car comes with the mild hybrid 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Soul Red and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. The seats in the Mazdas are really comfy and supportive. There's a big armrest in the centre there, as well as two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The rear passengers have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot. It goes back a good way with the rear seats that can be folded flat, and you still have the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable boot floor, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath. And below that level, you've also got some extra storage as well, including a tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and the colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.